We're hoping to replace the plastic that most people use in their sites. We want to replace it with sisal, which is a naturally product grown in the field. It can be removed and reused, or also will just naturally rot away. As for the machine itself, it is made with a heavy-duty 10mm funnel, a very heavy frame. We also have an insert for the smaller trees, which fits very easily in. It can come with either a 110 or 240 volt motor. This is for keeping the twine tensioned. Also, there's an emergency stop button. We shall now demonstrate a tree going through. Get your two twines, wrap them around the butt of the tree, tie a knot on them, start the machine rotating. The tree is now nicely tied up, ready for transportation home. The twine itself costs probably less than the ordinary plastic that we all use on our funnels, but is probably 4 times cheaper than the biodegradable plastic. So we feel this is a great system for transporting trees home. I hope you enjoyed our small video. Thank you very much.